Good morning, children. This is 5th standard English class. In our previous class, I have explained you the lesson The Olive Tree, right? Today we are going to complete conflict and opinion, conflict and resolution. Okay, that is S2, S3. Conflict and opinion. Conflict means what? As I have explained to you in the previous class, conflict means any disagreement or arguing. Okay. Now, what was the argument in this lesson? What was the conflict? What was the conflict here? The conflict was regarding here, right? The conflict was regarding who the owner of the olives. Who was the owner of the olives? Here we have discussed that part, right? What was the conflict? The conflict was regarding who was the owner of the olives. Opinion means what? For this conflict, what was Samir's opinion and what was Nada's opinion, right? What did Samir thought? Samir thought that the olives were his because they fell on his land. And what did Nada thought? Nada thought that the olives belonged to her because the olive tree grew on her land. Yes, these were the opinions of these Samir and Nada. How did we find out about the opinion of the two characters, children? How did we find out? When we read the content, here we came to know the opinions of the two characters. Here, if you see, yes. What was Samir's opinion? How did you find out? When Samir was picking up all the olives that fell on the ground, he thought that they were his. Yes, in the starting, when Samir was picking up the olives, before Nada started talking to him, as usual, what he started to do, he came out of his house and he started picking up the olives from his yard on the which were fell on the ground. Right. By seeing that, immediately Nada asked him, right? Nada directly stopped him, saying, what did she say? What did she say? That those olives were hers. Those olives were hers. Why? Because the tree is on her land. The tree was on her land and the olives which were fell on the ground were in the Samir's yard. Okay, these were the evidences for us to show their opinions. Now, I'll ask you one question, children. Answer me. Who do you think should get the olives? Samir should get the olives or Nada should get the olives? Maybe some of you think that Samir should get the olives. Why? Because his family has taken care of the olive tree when Nada's family was away from their house. Yes? Now, open your workbook, children. We are going to solve conflict and opinion, conflict resolution. If possible, we will complete role play also. S3, S4, S2, S3 and S4. Okay. Yes, open your workbook. Block number 9, S2. Conflict and opinion. Write the date as 19/11/2020. 19/11/2020. Conflict and opinion. See the first question. Fill in the table using details from the first half of the story, The Olive Tree. Now, what all we have discussed just before, that was the first half of the story, right? So here After reading the story, we are going to fill up this table. See here, they have given the questions. What opinions does the character have in the first half of the story? Now here for this question you are going to write the answer of Samir and as well as Nada. Their opinions you are going to write. Second question. What reasons does the character give for his or her thought or opinion? For both the characters opinion we are going to write the reason. See the third question, in the box only, third bit. What evidence helps you identify his or her opinion from the story? Okay, now we are going to complete this table. After that we are going to see question number 2. Okay. Yes, look here children. What opinion does the character have in the first half of the story is the question. Here what is Samir's opinion? I wrote. He thought that the olives belonged to him. Samir's opinion was he thought that the olives belonged to him. And what was Nada's opinion? She thought that the olives were hers. Okay. See the next question. Here this answer is very big children. So you have to write very small and adjust. Okay. What reasons does the character give for his or her thought or opinion? Now here he gave the reason opinion this. Now we are going to write the reason for that. Okay. See, Samir says that the olives fall on his land and his family has been taking care of the olive tree for many years while Nada's family was away. He has also been playing on its branches and eating the olives since childhood. See here children, after here there is no place, so I wrote here. Okay. Once again I am reading. Samir says that the olives fall on his land and his family has been taking care of the olive tree for many years while Nada's family was away. Full stop. He has also been playing on its branches and eating the olive since childhood. Now this is the opinion of Nada. What is the reason she is giving for her opinion using? Nada says that the olive tree grows on her land and has belonged to her family for hundreds of years. Full stop. That is why the olives belong to her. Once again I am reading. Nada says that the olive tree grows on her land and has belonged to her family for hundreds of years. YEARS children. Years. Full stop. That is why the olives belong to her. Now see here. What is the evidence for this? What is the evidence? What evidence helps you identify his or her opinion from the story? Did means what was the action did Samir do and what did he say? If you check your reader, you can see. What was Samir's action? Samir glared at her, means looked at her like that only. He leaned over the dumped a basket of olives into her yard. What did he do? He just dropped all the olives which all he collected. He dumped all the olives in Nada's land and turned back and walked away to his house. That you are going to write over here. See, what did he do? He glares at Nada when she says that the olives are hers and angrily throws all the collected olives into her yard. Okay. What did he say? They are on our land. They are on our land. Okay. Now, Nada's. If you see here, you can see her action. And what did she say? Those are our olives. This is the wordings which Nada said. Those are our olives. You know, as straightening up her face, Samir said they are on our land. See here, the same thing I wrote here. What did she do first? She stops Samir from picking up the olives by arguing with him. And what did she say? Those are our olives. You know, ours. It grows on our soil and its roots drink the water in that soil. It has belonged to my family for 100 years. This is the evidence what we got from the lesson. Okay. Now, okay, look at this question, children. Who do you think should get the olives? Why? Here I wrote two opinions. If you think that Samir should get the olives, you have to write this. If you think that Nada should get the olives, you should write this. I think that Samir should get the olives because his family has been taking care of the olives while the neighbors were away. If you think Nada should get, you have to write this. I think that Nada should get the olives because the olive tree made Nada feel at home after being a refugee for many years. After many years, they return to their home, right, children? So, whichever you feel is correct, you can write about that. Okay. Now, open conflict resolution. Resolution means about their argument. What was the solution? Okay. Write today's date 19/11/2020. See the first question. Fill in the table after reading the story The Olive Tree. Now we read the full story. Based on that, we are going to write their opinions, reasons, and how did the opinion has been changed at the end of the story. Okay. Okay, look here, children. What is the question? What is the opinion of the character at the end of the story? Now, what is the opinion of Samir and Nada at the end of the story? We wrote here. See, Samir sees how sad Nada is and understands how important the tree was for her, even though she is angry. And what is Nada's opinion? What was Nada's opinion? Nada now understands how much the olive tree meant to Samir. Okay. See the next question. Is this opinion different from the character's opinion in the beginning of the story? How? Yes, do you think that it is the different opinion? Starting of the story, in the beginning of the story, their opinion was different, and at the end of the story, again it has been changed. See here, I wrote. Yes, in the beginning, Samir feels that the olives belong to him and does not understand how important they were for Nada. At the end, though he is angry, he could see that Nada was as sad as him. Here answer is little bit big, so I have started from here, children. Okay, this is the part at the beginning and this is the part at the end. Once again, I am ready. Yes, in the beginning, Samir feels that the olives belong to him and does not understand how important they were for Nada. At the end, though he is angry, he could see that Nada was as sad as him. Coming to Nada's, in the beginning, Nada feels that the olives belong only to her. And what happened in the end? In the end, she leaves a jar full of olives for Samir in his house. Now coming to the next question. Why did the character's opinion change? Now here we are giving the reason. Why did the character opinion change? In the beginning their opinion was different and at the end they have changed. Why we are giving the reason here? Samir hears Nada talking about how the olive tree was something that made her feel at home after being a refugee for so long and that she felt lost again. So this is the reason his opinion has been changed. Now we'll see what was the Nada's opinion. Nada sees Samir heartbroken and angrily piling up all the remains of the tree that were destroyed by this storm in front of her house. Once again I am reading. Nada sees Samir heartbroken and angrily piling up all the remains of the tree that were destroyed by the storm in front of her house. Now see the second question, children. What do you think would have happened if the storm hadn't come and the olive tree was still standing? Why? Can you give me a suggestion about this answer, children? They may be angry on each other all the time, right? And this is my opinion. Or else they started sharing the olives and being lived happily ever after. anything may happen. How can we predict the story? Like this only, right? Take any one point and predict the story. If the storm would not had come, then what might have happened? Yes, this is my opinion regarding the story. If there was no storm, if the olive tree was standing like that only, what might have happened? I think that Nada and Samir would continue to be angry at each other and never become friends. Full stop. This is because they would not be able to see or understand how much the tree meant to the other person and how sad the other person would become if the tree was destroyed. Full stop. Once again, I am reading. I think that Nada and Samir would continue to be angry at each other and never become friends. This is because they would not be able to see or understand how much the tree meant to the other person and how sad the other person would become if the tree was destroyed. Okay, so shall we complete our S4 also, children? This is about the role play. Actually, why I am doing all together is these are related to each other. Conflict and opinion, conflict resolution. These are related to each other. This is what happened, the starting of the story, end of the story. Okay, and this is the role play which we have to be in class and complete, but we are not in the class, so that's why I am going to complete role play also. Write a dialogue between Samir and Nada. Use first person pronouns I, me, my, we, and us. And what is the scene here? Here you are going to write the dialogues of Samir and Nada by using the first person pronouns, children. I, me, my, we, and us. Here they have given the scene. Based on this scene, you are going to complete the dialogues. It is 1 month since Nada left the olives for Samir. They have both become best friends now. One day they were playing in Nada's yard when Samir's father returns home with some olive tree seeds and gives it to them. What do you think? What do you they talk about next? Now see, what is the scene? They both become friends, and Samir was playing in Nada's yard. When they both were playing, Samir's father returns home with olive tree seeds. No, now what might be the dialogues between Samir and Nada that we are going to complete? See here, children, I wrote the dialogues between Samir and Nada after Samir's father brought olive seeds. Okay, what did it? This is a big answer, children, and the place is not sufficient, so write a little bit nearby and small. Okay. Samir's dialogue is Nada, comma, I know that the olive tree was very important to you. Full stop. I want you to have these seeds. Full stop. We can't plant them in your we can plant them in your yard tomorrow. Once again I am reading. Nada, I know that the olive tree was very important to you. I want you to have these seeds. We can plant them in your yard tomorrow. Now for this, what Nada replies? No, I think that we should grow the new olive tree on your land. You can take better care of the tree. Once again, no, I think that we should grow the new olive tree on your land. You can take better care of the tree. What Samir says? I have an idea. Why don't we plant it in between our lands as the wall is now broken? Now Samir's idea is nice, no children? Now the wall is not there. So he want to plant the seeds in between the two houses. I have an idea. Why don't we plant it in between our lands as the wall is now broken? Now what Nada says? Yes, that is really good idea. Full stop. That was the tree that way the tree will equally belong to both of us. Full stop. Our families also can sit together below its shade and talk to one another. Once again I am reading, children. Yes. Exclamation mark, don't forget. Yes, That is a really good idea. That way, the tree will equally belong to both of us. Our families also can sit together below its shade and talk to one another. I am very excited and cannot wait till tomorrow. Full stop. Let me go and get some digging tools so that we plant it right away. Once again, I am reading. I am very excited and cannot wait till tomorrow. Let me go and get some digging tools so that we plant it right away. Right away means immediately they want to plant. Nada. Okay, let me also go and get some water. Okay, let me also go and get some water. Full stop. Here this answer is also very big, children. Write a little bit small and don't leave much space, only give half finger space. See question number 2. What do you think is the author's message in the story? Why do you think so? Now what is the author's message, children? About the conflict and perspective. The author's message in this story is that conflicts are a part of daily life, whether it is between two people, two religions, or two countries. See, in our daily life, we will see this conflicts, children, where either in between the people or in between the religions or in between the countries. They arise because of differences in opinions and can be resolved by understanding the other person's perspective. Perspective means point of view. Okay. Once again, I am reading the first point. The author's message in this story is that conflicts are a part of daily life, whether it is between two people, two religions, or two countries. They arise because of differences in opinions and can be resolved by understanding the other person's perspective. See the next point. I think so because in this story the conflict arises because of a different opinion between Samir and Nada about the olives and gets resolved when the two characters understand how important the olive tree was for both of them. Once again, I am reading. I think so because in this story the conflict arises because of a different opinion between Samir and Nada about the olives and gets resolved when the two characters understand how important the olive tree was for both of them. So by this I'll end the session, children. We'll meet in the next class with a new block. Okay. Thank you.